G'day, Jeff here. Today we're demonstrating the 100mm butt hinge jig. There's two sizes of this jig. You're supplied with a 5mm packer insert, which allows you to, in this case, install the jig onto a 35mm door. So that just allows a nice tight fitment there. But if you had a 40mm door, then you would just take out the insert and then that would go on. So really very user friendly. Just put that in like that. So we've got our mark for our top of our 100mm butt hinge. We'll slide the jig over on to our mark. Get that right there. Just for an extra precaution, we'll just clamp that on. Make sure it doesn't move. There we go there. All good. We've got our router. It's a 1/4 inch shank router bit in there. Pretty standard. Ball bearing to go around the perimeter of the jig. So now we'll router in the jig. There. All right, we'll take our corner chisel. Those corner bits out. A little bit one there. And we just slide in that. Nice firm fit there. And we just finish off. Last, and then we'll just, with a sharp down there, we'll just clean that. Okay, there you have it. So this is a 2-part video. So next we'll be setting up the mortise latch jig on the door. Thanks.